Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to invite someone on ClickUp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to invite someone on ClickUp, you just simply have to open your ClickUp application at first, and after opening your ClickUp application, you will get to see this invite button at the top. Just simply tap into that invite button, and after that you will have to enter an email address which you want to invite. Just simply enter the email address of the person that you want to invite, and after entering the email address successfully, just simply tap into this invite button, and then invitation will successfully be sent to the person. By following these very easy steps, you can easily invite someone on ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.